Good morning, guys. In front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart from 2020, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select system, and go to languages and input. Here click on languages at the top of the list, and click on add a language. Select the language that you want to use. Actually, this one may not be available in some apps, so let me pick some more basic language. Now just slide it up to the first place, and as you can see, from now on you can smoothly use your device and brand new language. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.